Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube class. My name remains Doomsen. So today we'll be taking classes on circle and rectangle. How to make use of circles and rectangle in AutoCAD. So basically, we use circles. It depends on the kind of you know concept you're going with. But personally, I make use of circles for my door. Let's take this to be a room space. This is a room space of about 3.2 by 3.6 meter. So let's take our door entrance to be here. So I'll be needing a circle. This is our circle. Our circle is boldly, you can see it here, to our top right corner of our AutoCAD screen. After line and polyline, next we have circle. So pick up our circle. So our distance from here to here is 900 mm. That's 0.9 meter. So in order for me to get that, I'll click on circle. After clicking on, I'll click on this. Let me take that again. Sorry. I'll click on circle. Then I'll just click. I'll right click on an empty space. After right clicking, I'll just drag the mouse open. So after dragging open, I'm not going to click again. I will insert 900, then enter. So we have 900 here. So then I'll come to line. I'll click on line. Then I'll pick the center point. I'll click on the center point. I'll take it upward, then escape. I'll click on line again. I'll click on the center point, then drag it to this point. This is what I need. I need this piece of pie from the circle. So don't forget, any line or object we do not need. This is what I need here. Any line or object we do not need, we introduce our trim. Then I'll take this off. This is what I need. So let's move closely. After getting this, let's our frame, the thickness of our door frame, let's take that to be 75. So we'll go to offset. We took offset from the last class, if not the first class. We'll go to offset, then we'll enter 75, then press enter. So we'll click on this line here, then we'll bring it inside. That is the thickness of our door frame. Then we'll still introduce trim. I want this to be taken off, and trim, then take this off. So we have this. So in order for us to make this as one object, the first thing we do is we highlight the entire object. Then we go to insert block. Then we'll just give it a name, any name, then okay. Sorry, we're not supposed to have a space bar. Let's just name it door. Since then press okay. The name is okay. Sorry. Block. Okay, create. Sorry, we'll click on create, not insert. Let me take that again. In order for us to make this one single object, we highlight the entire object. Then under BIM 360, we'll see insert. Then at the top of the side, we'll see create. So click on create. Then we'll name this door. That's what we're trying to create, a door. So okay. So after that, you can see that it is now one object. So we'll click on it. Then where is my move? This is move here. This is move here. Move is close to rotate. Under our parametrics. So move is basically used to move objects from one point to another, just like it implies. So click on a specific point. Let's say this point. I click on this point. Then always use our navigation bar. I need pan. Pan is just to adjust it to where I want it to be, to where I want to use it. When I'm done with it, I press escape, then I place it here. So as you can see, we have our door opening. As you can see, we have our door opening positioned there. So that is all of that's how we make use of a circle to get our door openings. Then rectangle. Rectangle is quite easy. For example, if you're doing a interior detailing and you want to get a table size to be, let's say for example, the dimension of the table, we want it to be about 400 by 200. Click on rectangle. After clicking on rectangle, we click on an empty space, then we just drag it. We drag without clicking, same as the circle. Then we insert 400, then comma by 200. Then once we're done, we press enter. So this is it. We have our rectangle to be 400 by 200. So basically that is just how to make use of our circle and our rectangle. So you can play around with it. You can use it for your building for your building plan as well. Just get your diameter by just get your the length of your building by the breadth, and you work with that. A smart student will know how to play around with this. So that's that about circle and rectangle. So I think that's that about that for this class. So from our next class, I'll be taking us how to introduce windows into our building. So thanks for staying tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I remain Dunsan.